Show you how to connect a Chromebook to a monitor with HDMI to DVI. First thing, what you need to do is to connect the HDMI from a Chromebook, and then the DVI you connect to a monitor, and you connect the DVI to the monitor. Like this. Once that connected, you power on your Chromebook and your external monitor. So if you want to change anything, what you need to do is to go to your settings, and then put display, and then you can change it like this. So this is how you hook up a Chromebook to another monitor. Like and subscribe to my channel if the video is helpful.